Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss Council for Green Revolution. Council for Green Revolution. This is in your textbook, page number 31. So, so why we are discussing Council for Green Revolution? What is the importance? So generally in our class also, in our village also, in last class I called a boy, plant a tree in your home. He asked me, so where is the plant? I don't have any plant, sir. So like that in village people also asked some people, please plant a trees in your surroundings of houses. So they are saying, we don't have any plants. Who is providing the plants? Like these questions arising while we are taking awareness programs, conducting Harita Haram programs like that. So here we have Council for Green Revolution is there. It is provide plants and help how to plant a trees, how to protect the trees. These are the things the Council for Green Revolution give ideas. So like that, see this Council for Green Revolution, almost 1,000 schools. It provides plants to plant in those school surroundings. Like that, this is the importance. See here in your textbook, teachers and students, Mrs. Leela Lakshman Reddy, President of Council for Green Revolution, in a school premises planting the trees. This photograph in your textbook. It is there. So the Council of Green Revolution, they are providing trees. They are giving help to protect trees. How to protect and how to plant the trees. See, we have here the Council for Green Revolution has been conducting forest motivating movement program as a part of plantation of 1 crore plants. See, taken forest motivating movement. Forest motivating. See, this is one program movement. So this program taken by Council for Green Revolution. What is the program? Forest motivating movement. So here in Mahbubnagar district and Nalgonda, Warangal, Rangareddy districts also, they are carrying these programs by Council for Green Revolution. So they are encouraging to take a pledge like this environmental pledge. In your textbook it is there. So just I read the pledge here. I will plant and grow trees as they give out oxygen, which plays a vital role in the existence of the living organisms. Next, I will motivate the people to plant trees as they bring rainfall. I will make all efforts to see that air, water and soil do not get polluted. I will let the people know the fact that the house which protects us from heat, cold and rain cannot be built without trees. I will condemn cutting down of trees, exploiting forest wealth factors, causing pollution, interrupting nature. I will not allow such activities to take place anywhere. So on this occasion, I take oath to see the people follow the above aspects, and I too will obey them and set an ideal example. Children, you too take this pledge in your school. This is a pledge. So they are giving Council for Green Revolution. They are giving. So in our schools also, we sometimes Harta Haram programs, we are taking this pledge. So like this, the Council for Green Revolution taking programs in different districts to encourage the planting trees in our villages, in our schools also. So here they are providing certificate also. Council for Green Revolution presents love for the forest. Love for the forest. Love for the forest. See, Love for the Forest award and medal to the students who participate in forest motivating movement for planning, growing the protecting the plants given them and also help in protecting the environment. This is a certificate given by they are giving Council for Green Revolution. So like this, the Council for Green Revolution is doing. So one more is the National Green Corps. One more is NGC. NGC, National Green Corps. National Green Corps. See, National Green Corps, one more is there, was established with the objectives of filling the school surroundings with greenery and protecting the environment. See, the National Green Corps was established only for filling the school surroundings with greenery and protecting the environment. Enjoying the greenery with learning experience, recognizing the hard work, identifying the environmental pollution, explaining about it, creating awareness towards the conservation of environment to the villagers are its other goals. So in this see what are the objectives? Filling the planting number of trees in school premises and in villages also, taking awareness programs about environment pollution like this. These are the objectives of National Green Corps. NGC also is there, one more organization. This is one organized Council for Green Revolution, one more National Green Corps also, one more organization. So like this we finished almost end of we got to ending. So this is 3 points and vegetables in the backyard. So when chemical fertilizers and insecticides are used in order to increase the yield, it results in poisoning the vegetables. Poisonous chemicals are found in the tests conducted on vegetables growing in the sewage water in cities. Consuming such vegetable leads disease like diabetes, cancer, hypertension. See, we actually in Telangana, for example, in Telangana we are 4 crore people out there, but how many people are producing fruits or vegetables? So we require more number of tons of vegetables and fruits required, but who are preparing means who are planting vegetable trees and fruit trees, so then less amount. So for that one we are adding chemical fertilizers, pesticides to grow plants early. That's why those chemicals and pesticides causing problems. So it is giving some diseases to humans. So what are the diseases? Diabetes, cancer, like that. So don't use chemical fertilizers and pesticides. If we use, we will get some diseases. This is the saying in this paragraph. So here one more important is there. Chemicals are used to store them for transportation to cities. Such vegetables are not tasty, cause diseases. So already I explained. So here, so like that it is there. Do you know one more is there here in your textbook? This is the last one. UNO, United National Organization. UNO, United National Organization has declared neem tree as the tree of the country. Neem is the medicine for thousands of diseases. Neem tree అంటే తెలుసా? వేప చెట్టు. See, this is the tree of century. Who declared this one? UNO declared. This is also important. UNO declared neem tree as tree of century. Tree of the century. Neem tree is medicine for number of diseases. వేప చెట్టు అనేది కొన్ని వందల రోగాలకి మందుకు పనిచేస్తుంది. అందువల్ల ఇట్ ఈస్ మెడిసిన్ ఫర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిసీజెస్. సో యుఎన్ఓ, యునైటెడ్ నేషనల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, యుఎన్ఓ డిక్లేర్డ్ ట్రీ ఆఫ్ ద century. This is end of the unit 3rd. So in next video I prepare for keywords. So like it. So this is homework for you. Please read one time. Watch all the videos. Let us grow trees. Watch all the videos. Then read this lesson carefully. If you have any doubt in comment box, you can ask a question. I will give the answer in comment box. Thank you.